Ryan, thanks for joining us here on the ZF Tech TraX podcast, our podcast dedicated to bringing the CV market the news from inside ZF, all about our products and developments dedicated to you, the fleet customer, the commercial vehicle customer. I'm here with Jason Powi. Jason, introduce yourself, please.
Yeah, thanks, Roy. Appreciate it. I'm Jason Powi, head of trailer sales North America for ZF.
So, ZF acquired Wabco in 2020. I think that gave us a pretty broad portfolio of trailer technologies that we can deliver to the commercial vehicle market. Can you run down the list of all the things that we can deliver for commercial vehicle?
Yeah, great. Yeah. No, it's just very exciting times here at Trailer. You know, everything's becoming more smart, connected, electrified. ZF now, with the acquisition of Wabco, has anything from an ABS RSS ECU, which is the brain of the trailer, to foundation brake products like slacks, chambers, air disc brakes, and then aerodynamic and efficiency products like skirts, mud flaps, and even the TraX 2 electrified e-axle to try to generate.
It's very exciting. That kind of borrows from the, what was a traditional kind of ZF powertrain driveline kind of product, and being able to add some propulsion to the trailer, which is very exciting. And you mentioned the ABS and RSS and that as the brain of the trailer. Explain to us a little bit what's unique about that. I think we were kind of talking about intelligent trailer. I think these products deliver that. How is it that those can do those things?
Right, yeah. I mean, we refer to it as an ABS system, but it's really more a vehicle control system. These things are much more intelligent than just modulating air brake pressure to the wheel ends, right? So we're talking 40 different intelligent trailer functions, anything from brake pad wear monitoring to automatic lift axle controller to GPS positioning or track and traceability.
So it really simplifies the connection process, because I think from discussions we've had, I understand that a lot of other suppliers are building in numerous ECUs throughout the vehicle, whereas our ABS and RSS, through one single ECU, we can tap into a number of other sensing capabilities.
Right. You really have to be cost conscious because, again, these trailers traditionally have just been a box with wheels. So there's not a lot of connections and other computers or things on the trailer currently. Our whole value proposition to the fleets in the commercial industry is to try to consolidate the number of computers you have to put on your trailer. With our ABS product, you can plug in using different GIO feet cables or connections, different sensors.
So you're getting like track and trace, door open sensing, wheel end temperatures maybe, tire pressure sensing, just a ton of different things that you can monitor through one single ECU. Really simplifies the telematics capability of the trailer. And the trailer is we always have to remember that the truck and the trailer are a business tool, and there's a real need to provide best total cost of ownership for our fleet so that they can keep their costs down and deliver freight. The end purchaser at the stores gets the best value for the product as well.
Right. So our products allow them the ability to consider their overall operations and then scale it up to make it as smart and intelligent as they want. If they want fuel efficiency, again, you can add aero products, or you could add the automatic lift axle feature where it's going to help lead to fuel efficiency, cost, and maintenance savings.
And you mentioned before, like ZF is very well established within trailer and truck, and we have a long history of understanding what it takes to deliver a product that lives within the commercial vehicle world, because these vehicles and trailers get hundreds of thousands of miles a year, and that I think we're one of the largest suppliers in the industry. And Wabco had over 100 years of history in commercial vehicles. ZF has over 100 years of history in commercial vehicle. And ZF also acquired TRW back in 2015, another company that had over 100 years of experience within commercial vehicles. So we're really well positioned to deliver products that meet the demands of this market. And not only that, we're also active within the passenger car market, and the passenger car market volumes and quality standards are very high. So we know what it takes to deliver to those standards as well, right?
Yeah, I mean, that's really one of the, legs up we have against some of these new technology companies that are getting commercial vehicles for the first time. Our history really enables us to deliver this new technology at a high quality.
And with our history, there's less of a learning process of what it takes and what the durability expectations and the lifetime utilization it is within the commercial vehicle market, right?
Yeah, when people buy a product from ZF, they can trust that it's going to come with the right quality, the right performance, the right durability, the right reliability. So they're not just buying something that's untested or unproven.
And then also, service is really key within commercial vehicle market. And I think with our with the three combined companies, 300 years of commercial vehicle knowledge, we understand that building the relationships and maintaining and keeping uptime is very important within the market as well.
Yeah, and I think that's really what distinguishes us, because it's all one circle of life. We're a very big company, but we have the ability through things like ZF Pro Academy to make sure that that customer experience is maintained, whether it's from the start in the plants, in the field, or in the shop. We have a solution.
We have dedicated call centers. We have a fleet sales team. We have trailer sales team that's dedicated to helping our customers get the best solution and keep their vehicles on the road. So these are all great. Not to mention, we also have a dedicated aftermarket group that helps for service and getting parts delivered and helping you locate where you can get these parts. So that's a real benefit to the ZF makeup as well. Keeping this podcast a little bit short, we're getting on in time. I just want to make sure that we highlight your trailer talk series that we've started, where you're delivering kind of a casual approach to some education on trailer technology and maybe even specifically ZF technology. You want to talk about that a little bit?
Yeah, I mean, I love the industry. I love trailers in general. So we try to do some more fun takes on it, where, I'm setting up a podcast underneath the trailer, welcoming people into the trailer park to highlight that I'm a man of the people, right?
Yeah, we always joke that the trailer team is where you sit there in Auburn Hills, that you are the trailer park. So that's just a fun, we keep things light and fun at work, but we always enjoy the trailer park and visiting the trailer park when we're in Auburn Hills. So check out his trailer talks. Maybe you'll find them on LinkedIn and other locations. Make sure you add some comments. Maybe there's a specific technology that you want to hear about or questions you have about trailer topics. Jason will be happy to answer them for you. So thanks for joining me, Jason, here for this TraX podcast. Wherever you find this podcast, ask us more questions and indicate what you'd like to hear about from ZF, and we'll certainly get your questions answered. Thanks again.